sablay. Itong pinapangarap ko ngayon ay magkakatotoo. Lahat ng to dahil sa'yo. Heto na, di na palalampasin pa. Magkasama tayong dalawa, di na bibitawan ang mga kamay. At mula ngayon, lilipas ang panahon, magkahawak, magkasama tayong dalawa. Na 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 na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na na na.
I wrote this 1 a.m. kanina. I'm sorry, I couldn't sleep properly. Kasi I had so many thoughts about you, about us, and siguro ganito ka din before. During our early days, when you would always write me love letters.
Na aking pinakahihintay.
Hi, Boober. I feel overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be standing beside you today. Thank you for accepting me for all that I am.
Itong pinapangarap ko.
Today, I say I do, but to me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad for as long as I live.
Heto na,
Gaya lang!
magkasama tayong dalawa.
We started this love story young, 2008, freshman year when we first met. And you had a funny voice na sobrang liit. When you started wearing glasses, naging crush na kita. Fourth year, you finally asked me to be your princess officially. Both knees mo pa nga nakaluhod. So of course, I said yes.
Buhay ko'y sumaya mula nang makilala ka.
Lastly, hindi ko na kailangan ulit magpaalam sa'yo pag uuwi na ako kasi sa'yo na ako uuwi araw-araw.
Itong pinapangarap ko ngayon ay magkakatotoo. Lahat ng to dahil sa'yo. Heto na, heto na. Magkasama tayong dalawa, di na bibitawan ang mga kamay. At mula ngayon, lilipas ang panahon, magkahawak, magkasama tayong dalawa. Tayong dalawa.
You got close to my family, especially sa mama ko. She trusted you. She trusted us. And up to this point, everything was going so well between us. And then, 2016 came. And I lost both mama and mommy. Not even 2 months support. I was in so much pain. But you never left my side.
Heto na.